Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because my November BoxyCharm came in. So we're in boyfriend's polo sweater. Finally got my hair down, and this is like literally the first BoxyCharm that I actually had my hair done. My makeup's a little raunchy, but girl, we doing this thing, okay? So for this month, the box is a lot bigger because the price did go up to $25 a month instead of $21, but you are definitely going to get 5 full-size products instead of 4 to 5. You usually got 4. And that's all I'm going to say. If you want to know anything else about BoxyCharm, just go to their Instagram, click on the little website, follow them on Instagram, you know, whatever. Obviously, I haven't opened it, and I'm super excited, so let's just go into it. No more intro, okay? I'm, like, really excited because, like, I've seen other people open their boxes because I'm like a cheater, and they got like really good stuff. So if I don't get that good stuff, I'm literally not going to do this next month. Like, so you better, BoxyCharm, you better like get your crap together. My Addie's literally, my daughter, my dog, my yellow lab, she's literally beside me like wagging her tail like, Mom, what did you get? Mom, what did you get? Okay, so it comes with the little card that you get that states what you got. Also, this month they are doing complexion samples. You take a little test and then they'll send you some stuff. That way they know for foundation references or concealers, or I think that's what it is. And so you try it, you tell them online on your profile, and then you go from there. So that's pretty cool. I'm so excited! Calm down. You're in public. So the first thing that I see is this brush set, which I was hoping I would get this because I saw it and I was like, if I don't get this, I'm literally dropping them like this. And I read my line and they're like, girl, no, we're in a relationship. Like, you can't do this. So it comes with these 2 brushes. They're so soft and they're really dense. So definitely like maybe like this, maybe contour, or even the bigger one, maybe the smaller one for foundation. I don't know. I'm going to test these out in one of my other YouTube makeup tutorials, or just whatever I do next. I'll show you. I need to like do a BoxyCharm unboxing, like try on. So if that's something that you would like to see instead of just me unboxing it, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. And I got you next month. Okay, so I'm going to put it in the little casing that it comes with. And these are BoxyCharm brushes. Okay, so the BoxyCharm 2-piece brush set retails for $35. So we're already over the $25 mark. So super cool. The next thing I see is a Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick, which I was hoping I got one of these because I really want to try Dose of Colors matte liquid lipstick, because one of the girls that I'm subscribed to and I really like her channel, she had done swatches of these, and I will leave her video link down below. So yes, this is called Nude Mood. Oh, I love me a nude. Of course we're gonna try it on. Oh, my lips, I have nothing on my lips. It's definitely a nude. Oh my gosh, it's like super soft too. I have a fuzz. This is literally so soft. Like, I've never felt like a matte liquid lipstick this soft. Like, it kind of feels like one of the Kylie Jenner's Velvet liquid lip kits. Oh, that's cute. But holy cow, this is good. It's like it's super soft, but let me wait till it dries. This retails for $18. The next thing I have is the Kypris Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. I was hoping I got this too. And this month I didn't pick like my choice thing because I think I missed out on it, which I'm kind of glad because I kind of like getting shocked. And holy cow, this is really a big bottle. Like in videos it looks really small, but this is super big.
I'm talking like super fast because I'm super excited.
It's like a little dropper. Do we shake this? Okay, let's read the directions. So let's try this on the back of my hand. So, oh, my things are falling. It says apply a couple of drops. 1, 2, 3. We'll do 3. Oh, this is like really fancy. Doesn't really have like a strong, it definitely does not have a strong scent to it. I'm rubbing it in my hand. Oh, that's so soft. Wow. So basically, this is like a try-on BoxyCharm. Is it glowing? Oh yeah. This is $90. We are way over this box this month. This literally might be my most favorite box. BoxyCharm really... Woo! You know your girl like an eyeshadow palette. Ooh, look at these. The Celestial Thunder. Oh, that's so pretty. Stop. Stop. Oh my god. As Britton enters the doorway.
You have to say hey to people, even though the camera's people actually watching it. Hey people.
Y'all, this palette is beautiful. Holy banoli, artichoke. I literally love getting eyeshadow palettes. Every box that I've gotten eyeshadow palettes. And I promise you I haven't swatched this. Literally in all the videos, I was like, oh, they opened it, they swatched it. But it's not. It's literally like the paint, like it's the design. And it has a mirror. That cost $35. Definitely going to do a makeup tutorial with this, and we're definitely going to be jumping into this blue eyeshadow and this pink one, because you girl got to do some colors when you got beautiful colors to work with. Okay, I have a morning goggle eye mask, Brighten and Protect. This looks fancy. From Vitamask. I don't know if that's how you say it. And then an evening goggle eye mask, Repair and Relax. Okay, yes, I've always like wanted to try a mask, but I'm like really skeptical, and I'm like, no, I'm not gonna spend money. I can spend money on like a lip gloss or something. But now a girl has them, has both of them, a morning and nighttime, like hello. And this retails for $12. I'm guessing for the set or piece, I'm not really sure, it just says $12. This literally has been the best box I have gotten, and this is my 3rd box, so it's not just like famous and big people getting good stuff. They're not trying to scam people. This is good stuff.
Hand me your calculator so I can calculate up the prices.
This box retails for $190, and I only paid $25 for it. I'm pretty sure you can't get a better deal than that, okay? And I really like this liquid lipstick. Like, it's a little tacky though, but it's really soft. Like, I don't even feel it on my lips. Like, hello, Dose of Colors, you're doing something, okay? Don't forget that I have a giveaway going on in my last video, my everyday makeup tutorial. There is a giveaway in that video, so make sure to go watch that video after you're done watching this one and go enter in the giveaway. It ends on the 15th of this month, so don't miss out. There's a really good, they're all good products, okay? Obviously, if I'm gonna give them out, they're gonna be good. But don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification to get rung
Every time I post.
And without further ado, I will see you in my next video, and I'm out. Bye.